Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have a RGB backlit wired keyboard and mouse combo. These are wired, so we're going to give them a try here. I have a computer here, but we'll give these things a go on it. So it's got the traditional USB connector on the mouse. And here is our keyboard. So this is what it looks like here. That's everything. Oh, there was instructions here. I'm gonna guess it just says plug it in, but we'll just look here and see what we got. So we have the keyboard, we have the mouse. We need to give ourselves more wire. Gonna have to open this up. So now we have some wire for our mouse. This is good for some of those environments where having the wireless stuff just doesn't work out good, too much interference, or someplace where this is going to be for use at a location where people like to just take things. So we just figured we would use these. So let's plug these in to the back of the computer and see how they work. There's that. We got dings from the computer. So and here we go. Well, it definitely works. I don't know. Okay, so I'm gonna say it works, but here, let me turn off my little ring light, and maybe you can see the lights. Do you see the lights in the back of there? It's like lighting up. Very cool. It's got the Windows key. Okay. Oh, it is a Windows computer that I plugged into. Well, let's see what we have here. If we push function and then scroll, we can change the color lights. So what is function? Let's see, where's the function key? Function and then scroll. Oh, there's the scroll key. What's the function key look like? It says FN. I don't know which one. There's a whole bunch of function keys. I don't know. Let's see. Oh, I guess control. So control and then scroll. You can kind of see there's the lights are off. There's the different colors as it scrolls through different views. That's cool. I kind of like that one, I think. Pretty cool. Oh, that one's nice too. They're all nice. So there's that. And then the mouse, the mouse changes colors as well. So you can see that was lit up there. It's kind of blue. Oh, they're kind of changing, I guess, it now. They're scrolling through colors. But that's cool. So it lights up and everything. And then we can adjust the brightness by doing the function, which is the control button, I found out now, and up and down. So let's see if we do control, up and down. I don't know. Not sure we even need that, but it's funny. It might be working, but it's just so light in this building here. We have all these fluorescent lights. But it's cool. I like this keyboard, and it seems to have very good response. If I go in here, I can type, hello, my name is Neil. Works great. So excellent keyboard. So if you need a keyboard, go ahead and get this one here. This is the MK218. Does it have a name brand on it? Let's see. It says it's by Shenzhen Daying Technology Co. EDJO maybe? So it says keyboard mouse combo, MK218. So very cool. I like it. So thumbs up from me. If you need a keyboard and mouse combo that's wired, pick up this one here. I like it.